Shitty Cherie. Morning, it's Friday. Let's end the week on a bright note, okay? Um, but first, let's talk about BTC. How to do it. Uh, for those unaware why BTC went down, and of course, Ethereum followed suit in sympathy. The German government dumped, is dumping, has been dumping something like 7,000 Bitcoin since yesterday. I don't think they're done yet. And if you want to Google that, you can read up on the how they got 7,000 Bitcoins. Doesn't matter the reason why they decide to sell it as soon as the court allowed them to sell it after they confiscate those coins many years ago. But that's the reason. But I encourage people to go read that up. Just Google German government Bitcoin. Uh, I was aware of the situation for the past week because the news that the court free up that those Bitcoin for them to sell was known since last week, and I think that's what happened. Okay, did I think the Bitcoin will go this low? No, but I did have order in at 57 and 55, and both trigger. And I have more. I just transferred in more money this morning when I woke up and saw that my 55 so that I can put in order to buy at right here 51. Okay, it can overshoot if you want to, but yeah, I like that. And if that came down right there, I want to buy all of the crypto that I got when I get stopped out up here. Okay, for those that follow me, there was a time when I had a lot of IBIT. Well, not a lot, but I got stopped out of IBIT way up here, and I had ordered in to buy IBIT down here. Okay, 57.5. But if you have ordered in to buy IBIT, since I'm talking about it here, let's take a look. Okay, I think right now it looks like it's most likely will close, fill the gap, right? Right here, there's a gap right here. If you have order, I think a lot of people have order, 33-ish, 32, 33. But I said put in pre-market 31.4. I mean 31.4, and you likely will fill the gap. It will fill the gap, and you will buy pre-market right there. Okay, so do it, especially if you were gonna buy at 34, 33, 32. Revise those order down to 31.4 right here, where it is in pre-market. Fill the gap and get the deal done. Ethereum. Oops. Ethereum. I had ordered in to buy at 28. Trigger. I will buy more at 26.85. I entered that in last night. Late last night. And yeah, patience pays off, okay? You buy when there's blood on the street. All right, let's go on real quick to Whirlpool. For those that follow me, yes, I was telling people to buy Whirlpool. It was painful, right? But in the chart, I trust, and I did not wait for two green candle. Okay, so for those that follow me, there are times where I would say wait for two green candle to buy, especially on a long, prolonged down movement. Okay, not here. This is not a prolonged down movement. When you have something like this and they go sideways, Sure, this looked like a tempting spot to buy. I start to talk about Whirlpool here, but I decided to stuck it out based on this trend line, right? And let's go back. Yes, this is multi-year downtrend, right? So that was the right time to buy. But now it is time to be very cautious. Look, you see this? Let's change that into another white line. White equal important key. Okay, there we go. Yes, if you still have it, I'm out. All right, I talk about I'm in, I'm out, I've been out, and it's time to go. If you want to be a little bit greedy and put in an order higher, you can, but I think this is it. Okay, it's been dancing on the 100 MA, and technically, technique wise, TA wise, sure, there are still a little room above, but eh, it's not worth it. Not in this sector. Okay, housing, home. Eh. Speaking of that, let's go to the last one for today. Home Depot is in the buy zone, even if it's on the top of the buy zone. Yes, if you want to play in this space, you can, but I would say buy down lower. Okay, I would say if you really want to play, I would rather do a 320, 315 put spread. Okay, at least use this red flow as your last line of defense. But yeah, it's in that, out of the slew of home um, related stocks, Lowe's, Home Depot, Sherwin-Williams, Whirlpool. I This is probably the more attractive one out of the bunch. But as attractive it is, the fundamental of the group is what preventing me from jumping in here, even though it's in the zone. Okay, so that's it. Let's focus on econ data, right? That's what's going to be the driver. What is it? I think it's a big one. Let's take a look before I go. Today, let's see, Friday. What kind of econ data? Oh, yeah. Jobless claim stuff was important Wednesday, but today at 8:30, here we go. Non-farm payroll, unemployment rate, labor participation rate, government payroll, manufacturing payroll, U6 unemployment rate. That is the one that I care to look at the most. U6, okay? If you don't know what U6 unemployment rate is, that is important. That is more important to me than the employment rate, but Powell focus more on the unemployment rate because it make the economy look better, right? Oh, we have low unemployment, low. U6 say a different story. So yeah, this is pretty heavy. This is the heaviest econ data of the week. So let's go. Things can move. All right, people, be careful out there. Hill Street Blues.